evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Nightly Cajun News. Tonight we're going to tell you everything that's going on in this crazy world. My co-anchor today is Schwaz.
Hi.
He doesn't talk much, but he'll tell you the news, and he's going to do the weather too. So today's top story today is there was a pig loose in the city, and he walked all over the place. And next thing you know, the fire department was closed, and they couldn't take the pig out of the house. They went into a house and they bit an old lady. Schwaz, what do you think?
I think that's messed up.
Messed up. Well, if you want to hear messed up, our top story today is about... Wait a minute, let me check my papers. Yes, there is a killing locusts that are attacking our Coney Island city here, and all we have to do is like, just yell, because there's no place to go, no place to hide, because these locusts are everywhere. Right, Schwaz?
In Coney Island, some island.
Yeah.
From the water.
That's good, that's good, that's good. And for the children out there, our top story today is Ronald McDonald. It's not real. Neither is Santa Claus. And, wait a minute.
So the Easter Bunny.
Wait, I hear in my earpiece some happening news right now as we speak. We'll go to correspondent Schwaz at the scene. Take it away, Schwaz.
We're here in Coney Island, and there's locusts everywhere. I'm kind of scared, Mr. Eddie. Mr. Eddie. Mr. Eddie, can you come in, please?
Hello? Yeah. Yeah. Wait a minute. And the top story is the locusts are really going at it. I mean, they're hungry and they want corn, and I don't know what to do. So we're going to take it back to Schwaz and see if he found any interesting developments.
Are you guys gonna send me a chopper or what? This isn't fun. Assholes.
Yeah, sorry, Schwaz, we have no budget for a shop. We don't even have budget for a studio. So we're gonna have to go to our sponsor now. Alpo sliced beef is good. I've had it. Give it to your dogs, give it to your kids. I mean, it's good shit. All right. Hi there. Are you one of millions who suffer from constipation? It was just stay there for days. The cow would not come out. The pain. Until I found something on the market that really set me free. This little object right here saved my life. Comfortable again. So remember, the Colon brush, available in drugstores, in any store near you. Goodbye.
He's a situation.
Bye-bye.